To remove a Ring doorbell cover, you'll need the special star-shaped screwdriver that came with your doorbell kit. Use the screwdriver to remove the security screw at the bottom of the faceplate. Then, push up from the bottom of the faceplate until it slides up and off. Once the faceplate snaps away from the body of the doorbell, carefully pull it outward in one fluid motion to remove it. If you need to remove and charge the battery in your Ring doorbell, press the black tab on the bottom of the battery while pulling the battery downward. Charge the battery, then push it back up into place from the bottom of the doorbell. To replace the cover of the doorbell, insert the hook at the top of the faceplate into the corresponding slot at the top of the doorbell. Hold the faceplate at a 45-degree angle relative to the doorbell and make sure it is lined up properly. Then push it in until it snaps into place. Use the screwdriver to screw the security screw back into place at the bottom of the faceplate.